Before we can start customizing our website, we first need to get it live on the internet. And there are three main things we need to do to get our website all set up on the internet so that we can begin customizing it. First of all, we need to register a domain name. And a domain name is just an address. So facebook.com, that is an address that directs people to Facebook's website. So after we register a domain name, we then need to set up web hosting. And web hosting is, think of it as a remote computer that stores all of your content. So when we are putting images and videos, any type of content on our website, those things need to be stored somewhere. And web hosting is just basically renting a remote computer so that we can store our content on there so that when people visit our website, they're able to view all of our content. After that, we will need to install WordPress. And once we install WordPress, we can then start customizing the site with WordPress. And luckily for us, WordPress is 100% free to use. So once we do these three things, we'll have our website live on the internet and ready to start customizing.